taking some little steps to bring some changes to the way you pronounce your words may bring a great difference in how you are delivering your speech in formal situations like interviews, meetings, or conferences. Okay, so in this brief video, I'll show you three very commonly mispronounced words. We've long been pronouncing them in not an accurate way. This is not what I'm saying. This is how Oxford or Cambridge dictionaries are suggesting the pronunciations to be. Okay, the first word is consumer যেটাকে বলি এটা কিন্তু consumer in British accent or consumer in American accent. তাহলে এখানে জ হবে না, এখানে স সাউন্ড দিয়ে ডিকশনারিতে উচ্চারণটা আছে consumer in British or consumer. ওকে, সোজা কথা হচ্ছে যে এখানে হবে জ হবে না। And the next word is আমরা অনেকে বলি comparison. এটা কিন্তু comparison. এটাও স দিয়ে হবে, কিন্তু I know some of you may really get surprised to know this. Hey, is this really sound is made by but we've long been saying this using z sound, okay? And you may ask yourself, how could you be wrong about something so familiar? But this is the reality. In dictionary, the two of the world's best dictionaries, Oxford and Cambridge, these sounds are written like this. So, comparison. There is difference between British and American accent, but this is for sure that there is not z, okay? So, what I said, like consumer, comparison, another word is execute যেটাকে বলে আমরা execute যে ভার্বটা আছে execute না হয়ে execute execute, okay? execution হ্যাঁ, এটা স্ট্রেসটা চেঞ্জ হবে যখন নাউন বলবো, তখন স্ট্রেসটা কিউর উপরে চলে যাবে। যেমন execute verb, execution সেটা হচ্ছে নাউন, বাট মেইন কথা হচ্ছে সি, আমরা যেটা execute বলি সেটা execute না হয় execute, okay? So I like to finally repeat these three words again for your better remembering. For example, consumer, comparison, execute. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, consider sharing this with your friends or colleagues so that they can be helpful as well.